In this video, we are going to review the concepts in your Topic 7 Part 2 Anchor project to try to get you some points back. So let's get started. All right, so first thing we need to do is build a net of a rectangular prism and then put in the units that it would be. So I'm going to start building a rectangular prism with my shape tool. We know that when we build a net, we usually start from the bottom. And I'm going to kind of put it in the middle here so we have enough space for everything. All right, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. All right, so this is my bottom. So my bottom, and then we're going to copy and paste this because the bottom is the same as the top. But we need some space in between for the back and the front. So that's going to be the top. Now, let's put in the units for our top and bottom. I see that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units wide, and 1, 2, 3 units tall. So on my grid, or on my units, I'm going to put that it goes 6 units tall, and then 3 units high. Now I'm going to put another rectangle in between the top and the bottom, which is going to be the back, because the back would fold off of the bottom. So let's label this back. Center it just because I want to. And we know that the front and back are already 6 units wide, but we can also see that it is 1, 2 units tall. So in my prism, I'm going to put that this is 2 units tall. And then I know that the back is the same as the front. So I'm going to copy and paste. My front would fold down here. Now what's left is my left and my right. I know, and then we're going to fold those off of the bottom. I know that my left and right, they already go 3 units wide, and then it shows it comes out 2 units. So I'm going to also go out 2 units. So this is my left. And again, since it's already 3 units tall, and then it would unfold 2 units. And that is the same as the right. All right, now, since we have built our net, now we need to figure out the faces, edges, and vertices. The number of faces is 6 because the faces are the sides, remember? So there is the front, back, left, right, top, and bottom. So there are a total of 6 faces. Now let's look at the edges. Edges are also known as the lines. Let's go back in our net and look at this. We're not going to look at the net, we're actually going to look at the figure. If I draw the pieces that I can't see, and then this would come in the back. All right, I see for edges that I have 4 on the bottom to make a rectangle, 4 on the top, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 vertical. So we have 4 top, 4 on bottom, and 4 vertical. That makes a total of 12 edges. Now let's look at the vertices, also known as the corners. For my corners, I see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because there's 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. So there is 8 total. All right, now let's find the surface area. We need the area of each face. We need the front. We need the back, top, bottom, left, and right. My front and my back are 6 units by 2 units. Which each make 12. Sorry, that should say 2, not 12. All right. Now my top and my bottom are 6 units by 3 units. If I trace over my bottom, I trace the 6 and I trace the 3. That's 18. All right, the left and the right, 3 units by 2 units. Again, because if I trace over the right side here, I trace over the 3 and the 2. So those are each 6. All right, and I know the area, the surface area is the area of each side put together. So I want you to total these up and give me the total surface area. Go. All right, we should have gotten, let's see, 12 and 12 is 24. 18 and 18 is 36. So that would make a total of 60. Plus 12 is 72 units squared. All right, let's keep going. We are now going to move on to a cube. Because with a cube, all sides are the same. So this one's a little bit easier because I'm just going to make one rectangle. But remember, they have to be square. So I'm making a 3 by 3, 3 units long, 3 units tall. I'm going to copy it and paste it. So I have 6 of them. This would be how I would put together my cube. We have the bottom, the front, the back, the left, and the right, and then the top can kind of just come down here. So again, we have the top. This would be the front because it would unfold from the bottom. And then we have the back, the left, and the right. So that would be the net of our cube, and they are all 3 units. All right, now let's look at the faces and vertices and the edges. All right, a cube, just like a rectangular prism, has 6 faces: front, back, left, right, top, and bottom. It also has 12 edges because, again, as we see here, there are 4 on the bottom, 4 on the top, and then 4 vertical. So it has a total of 12 edges. And then vertices are the corners again. And it has, let's count them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners, just like a rectangular prism. There are 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. All right, now we need to find the surface area, or again, the area of each surface. So we're going to list our faces: the front, the back, the top, the bottom, the left, and the right. And with a cube, they are all 3 times 3, which is 9. So your total surface area, if you add them together, would be 54 units squared, because 6 nines would make 54. All right, now we are moving on to a square pyramid. So let's build our net. A square pyramid has a square bottom. So I'm going to make let's do a 4 by 4. Wait, that is not a 4 by 4. That's a 4 by 5. That's a 4 by 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So again, our side of our square is 4 units. And then with a square pyramid, now there's going to be an equal triangle coming off of each side. And since with a square pyramid, all sides are the same, so I'm just going to copy and paste it and then rotate it. Hold on, I got to put our grid back. And again, the triangles, I'm just copying and pasting and then rotating. Hold on, what's going on here? Okay. So still building our net. Copy, paste. I keep moving the grid instead of the triangle. Whoops, sorry guys. All right, rotate. That goes over here. Copy, paste. Can I just do flip? I can flip horizontally. There we go. Okay. And then that's going to come over here. So this would be our triangles. And as we see, our triangles each go 1, 2, 3 units high. 1, 2, 3 units high. So the height of the triangle is going to be 3. All right, now we need to do our faces, edges, and vertices. A triangular pyramid has 5 faces, because it has a bottom square and 4 triangles. Now let's count the edges. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There would be another one back there. 7, 8 edges, because there's 4 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, and then there would be another one in the back down there. So that's another 4. So there are 8 edges. Four on bottom, 4 vertical. All right, and vertices, there are, hold on, let me just erase that line. All right, let's go back to the vertices. Vertices are the corners. And we have 4 corners on the bottom and then 1 corner on the top. So there would be a total of 5 corners, one on the bottom, one on the top. So 5 vertices. One on the bottom. Sorry, 4 on the bottom. And one on the top. Now we need to find our surface area. So surface area, we know there is the bottom, and there's the front, back, left, and right. There is no top because everything comes to a point. The bottom square is 4 times 4. So that has an area of 16. And then each of the triangles has a base of 4 because the bottom is 4. And then the height of each triangle is 3. So these would each be 4 times 3 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And each one of these is 6. All right, so the 4 6s, if we add them up, is 24. And then plus 16 makes a surface area of 40 square units. All right, now let's build a rectangular pyramid. So my bottom here needs to be a rectangle. I'm going to make it a 2 by 4. And then we need triangles coming off of the side. So again, so this would be 2, and this would be 4. And my triangles, I'm going to make coming off of each side. Where's my shape tools? There we go. So this would be my back. Let's make it 3 units high. And I'm going to copy and paste it. And then I'm going to flip it vertically. Oh, wait, no, I want to rotate it clockwise 90 degrees. There we go. All right, now let's build my left and my right. So I know that the height of the triangles coming off of the 4 are each 3 units. Because we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now for my left and my right. Another triangle. Let's make these just go up 2 units. Wait, I don't know. Oh, hold on, undo. Click the triangle, rotate it, and put it down here. So that's going to come up 2 units. Copy, paste, flip horizontally, and that's going to come over here. So the triangles coming off of here are each 2 units high. And then again, the triangles coming off of the other side were each 3 units. Now we need to count faces, edges, and vertices. For the faces, we have 5 because there is the bottom and then 4 triangles. The edges, there's going to be 8 again because on the bottom, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 vertical. And the vertices, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because there are 5 corners. 4 on bottom and 1 on the top. All right, now we need our surface area. We have a bottom, a front, back, left, right. And then I'm going to add a row for a total. All right, let's look at the bottom. The bottom is a rectangle, which is 2 by 4, which is 8. The front and the back would each have a base of 4 and a height of 3. So let's look at that. And those are triangles. So we need to divide them by 2. 4 times 3 is 12. Divided by 2 is 6. Now the left and the right. 2 by 2 is 4. Sorry, in the front it's the same as the back. The left and the right are 2 times 2 divided by 2, which is 2. Add them together. 6 and 6 is 12, plus 8 is 20, plus 2 is 22, plus 2 is 24 square units. All right, we are coming to our final shape. So 3 more slides. All right, we have a triangular prism. So we have a bottom rectangle. I'm going to make it a 2 by 4. So this would be 2. And this would be 4. And then we have 2 sides coming off of it, 2 rectangles. I'm going to make them another 2 by 4. Why not? Copy, paste. All right, so this would be our bottom. This would be the left, the right. All right, and now we need the front and the back, which are each triangles. I'm going to make them come up 2 units. All right, shape tool, triangle. All right, let's do them over here. So it's going to be 2 by 2. And we're going to rotate it. Counter 90. That's going to go there. Can go up a little bit more. And then we're going to rotate it again. Ah, no, undo. All right, we're just actually going to flip it vertically. Rotate. Flip vertically. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, sorry, no, flip horizontally. There we go. And another 2 by 2. All right, faces, edges, and vertices. We have 5 faces because we have 3 rectangles and 2 triangles. And then for edges, let's count up our lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 slanty, and 1 on the top. So that is a total of 9. 4 bottom, 4 slanty, and 1 on the top. That is a total of 9 edges. Now our vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices because we have 4 on the bottom and 4 on the top for the corners. Sorry, 2 on the top. So 6 vertices, 4 on the bottom, 2 on the top. All right. The last slide is our surface area. Bottom left. We're going to list each face, front and back. All right, let's look at our bottom. The dimensions of our bottom are 2 by 4, which is 8. The dimensions of the left and the right are 4. Oh, sorry, this should have been a 2. Are 4 by 2 as well, which is also 8. All right, now the front and the back. The front and the back are triangles, and they are each 2 by 2. And then remember, we divide by 2 because they're triangles. 2 times 2 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. And remember, the front is the same as the back. Add them together. The 3/8 make 24. The 2 2's make 4, so 24 and 4 is a total of 28 square units. All right, that concludes our project review, and we are done. Bye, guys.